Hello everyone, my name's Nene. Today we're going to be doing some nasty stuff. I'm doing it for the YouTube and I'm doing it for state. I don't know what do it for state is, I ain't going to tell y'all because it's pretty naughty.
These things taste terrible when you cook them in a microwave.
That's what we did. Joey did all this topping stuff because he's a butthole. And
Thanks.
You're welcome. There.
It's just ketchup. It's just kesha.
Damn it, Joey! You put your freaking piano on your thing on my phone.
Yeah, the peanut.
Andrew took a bite out of that. All right. 3, 2, 1. Three, two, one. Do it for state. I can't even. State. Oh, this is terrible. This is worse than that lemon juice. And that lemon juice was pretty sour because it was expired.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we need a sponsor.
Yeah, you guys are a man.
Aeropostale.
You're a man.
Just
Come
kidding.
on, you can do this.
I can't even do this for state.
If people can get attacked by the police on doing it for that, I'm pretty sure you can.
Why is there no face cam? Huh.
The guy being good.
We are built from broken plugs.
Hey.
Well, you know what they say, mind over matter. I don't have a mind, so it don't matter. Me and my jokes, man. Got another joke for y'all. What's the point of killing a terrorist? If they want to die anyway. I was gonna do this one without ketchup, but
You can try to take a bigger bite to make it faster.
I'm gonna do a ketchup sandwich. And I'm gonna do it triple.
Yeah. Like the McDonald's
meat.
hamburger.
3 meat
I don't
and 2
think-
ketchup. No, I'm not. I'm not doing it like that.
I don't think that McDonald's does that. Triple cheeseburger.
Last 2.
Fuck, my hand was in the way. Oh
That's
crap.
about to fall.
I know.
Let's go.
Well.
I did it for state. I did it for YouTube. I think I'm about to throw up.
Well,
So that's it for today, guys.
You know, guys, go get some water or something. You deserve it.
I hope y'all have a good day. Like, rate, subscribe, comment. Please comment. We really need comments for videos. So does Joey here. That's why I'm always in his videos. If he had ideas for his videos, he told me he wouldn't have to have me in the videos. But I'm thankful he has. I'm thankful he has my videos, or videos of me on his channel. That helps my channel out a little bit. If you want to go check that out, a little bit. If you want to go check that out, it's Nat, NATCUEVAS @gmail.com. Oh, it's natcuevas5@gmail.com. But have a good day, guys.
I never really said that you I couldn't get an idea that when having the videos.
Oh, well, you can face the camera at you now.
Yeah. Yep. Well, okay. That was another YouTube video. Oh, look, I'm actually outside for once. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like you said, share, blah, blah. Not really comment, just yeah. I don't really get no comments, but hey, just at least tell me that you hate it or you like it. I don't know. I hope you enjoyed this video. And bye. Actually, now should be making another video soon. So yeah. This video has gone long enough. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you all in the next video, and bye.
Adios.